In Wix, reordering pages is straightforward but impacts three key areas: page order, menu structure, and SEO slugs. To reorder, access the site menu from the left sidebar and drag pages to the desired sequence. This directly changes the main menu and submenu layout. For example, placing a services page higher improves user navigation. Remember to maintain a logical hierarchy, starting with the home page followed by main sections and nested subpages. This process is streamlined with Wix's drag-and-drop interface, automatically updating the navigation menu and site structure. Keep in mind that Wix AI may provide automated page suggestions and SEO slug recommendations to help reduce manual effort. Beyond simple reordering, optimizing navigation and SEO slugs is crucial. Limit menu items to 5 to 7 for clarity, use descriptive labels, and ensure mobile responsiveness. Wix offers customizable menus like horizontal, vertical, or hamburger for mobile. SEO slugs, the URL endings, should be short and keyword-rich, like /SEO tips instead of page 1. Edit slugs directly in page settings and avoid special characters. Changes to page order or slugs should be carefully planned to maintain site usability. Consider using A/B testing via Wix's built-in analytics to measure bounce rates and conversions. After changing slugs, always redirect old URLs to prevent 404 errors and maintain SEO rankings.